Okay, so how do you sell your NFT once you're done creating it? Over here, at the top right corner, there's a button called Create. Press that button. Select what cryptocurrency you want to upload it in. I'm using Ethereum. I'm going to select this. And if you want to upload a single, press single. If you want to upload 2 or 3 or 4, press multiple. And I want to upload one file only, so I'm going to press single. Next, I'm going to press choose file, whatever file you want. Now upload the file. This is my file, so I'm going to upload it. And then the price, I'm going to make it 0.10. We'll make it like 9. Yeah, 9 is okay. And then name, I'm going to do it Hungry Cow. And then description, if you want you can put it. I'm not going to put any description. I'm going to press 40%. How much percent you want it from there? Like how much percent goes to the website Rarible and how much percent comes to you. 40% should come to me, so I'm going to press 40%. And you're going to press create item. Now it's gonna load, gonna mint. So there'll be a transaction to your wallet. I'll show you guys how to make you a wallet in some other videos, but for now, press sign for everything. And you can press sign and put on sale. So now it's on sale. If you go press view NFT, it says on sale for 0.9 ETH, and this is our NFT here.